Please allow me to welcome DTM Amjad Ali for his speech, The Other Side of the Coin. The Other Side of the Coin, DTM Amjad Ali.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I have a coin in my hand. It's 1 dirham. And I tried my best to see two sides of this coin at the same time. I failed miserably. Can you see both sides of a coin at the same time? I could not. I have a perspective and people have a perspective over life. I felt there are two types of people in this world. Some are good and some are bad. Show your hand if you have bad people in your life. Okay, few, thank you so much. I used to think the same way, the way you think, till last week, when I had a sitting with my son. He's my elder son, he's just 11 years old. When I was just telling him, in fact, I was trying to teach him some lessons about our life, the world we are living in. My boy, there are good people and there are bad people. Bad people are who harm other people, and good people are who help other people. He said, Baba, what do you mean by bad people? Are they disliked, are hated by every single person out there? I said, perhaps no. Some people would be liking them. Their family members are who are getting benefit from them. So he replied, he said, then that means there is no bad people on this planet. If they are good for some people, they are not bad 100%. That shook me and changed my perspective. In fact, I was not looking at the other side of the coin. He said, if you're trying to tell me there are good people, and there are very good people, there is no bad people. And I was amazed and I felt proud that he's my son. And I always welcome suggestions in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, it was just a perspective over life, how you perceive life, how you see people. He's just 11 years old and he changed my way of thinking and way of looking at people. People who are good, they are, majority of their life is spent for themselves and very less number of people are getting benefit from them. That's what he meant. And the people who are considering other people's life over their life, more than 50%, they are very good people. And to my surprise, and that meeting we had, that was after his first meeting of Toastmasters. He attended one of the Toastmasters meeting 2 weeks ago. And he observed things around. He added something. He said, there are good people, they are very good people, and there are Toastmasters. And yes, he meant it. He said, in Toastmasters, what he observed in just one meeting, there are people, they think they are good, but they are not adding value to the society. Good means they are very good, but they are not able to reflect back, give back. But there are people who are doing great effort, but they are not being recognized, being appreciated. You believe or not, that was something shocking for me from 11 years old boy. I don't know you agree with me or you don't, but this is how we look upon life, look at each other. Do you find such people, do you see such people in Toastmasters? They are doing an amazing effort, are giving an amazing effort towards society, and they're not being recognized. It's time to encourage them. It's time to applaud them. And there are people, otherwise, I don't want to talk about. What kind of person are you? What kind of people are you, ladies and gentlemen? Are you good one? According to me, I used to think bad one, or a very good one, and according to me, you are good one. It's a little perspective. It's very simple. It's just a matter of seeing it, living it, accepting it, and inculcating the values. I don't have a particular message for you all, but to plead you to go around. It's a time where we can see people around. It is the right time. It's a corona time where world is refreshing, and computer has F5 button which refreshes the computer. Now it's refreshing time where you can see people around, and people will observe you as well, how good you are. People will observe me. Every time you try to preach people, tell them good things, good words, but are you practicing them? I'm not here to get recognition from them. Okay, it feels good when somebody appreciates you, but it's time to give back. We are not here to see both sides of the coin. Distinguish people who are good are very good, are, according to me, bad are good. It's time to give back, because we don't know the other side of the coin. And I request you all, please, let's stand and just expect other side the way the people are telling us. Give them a benefit of doubt. We will see this world a beautiful place. It's just a matter of understanding the other side of the coin. We are living on the other side of the coin. Ladies and gentlemen, back to you, Toastmasters of the day.